Today, we're going to learn a skill to level up your cooking. Just what is the best way to peel ginger? First, look for ginger that has smooth skin. If it's fresh, it should feel firm and solid. If it's soft or looks dry, it might be past its prime. So, do you peel it with a knife? Unfortunately, using a knife to peel ginger is unwieldy, and you end up chopping off a lot of usable ginger. Do you use a vegetable peeler? Unfortunately, it's difficult to get around corners, nooks, and crannies with a veggie peeler. So what do you use instead? The answer can be found right in your utensils drawer. With just a spoon, you can easily get around the contours of the ginger root. The holding position makes all the difference. Place your thumb in the dip on the front of the spoon, then wrap your other fingers around the back. Use the tip to help you scrape off the skin. Now that you have the ginger peeled, you can cut it in a variety of ways. You can cut it into slices. You can julienne the ginger. Or you can take those julienne strips and mince them. You can also grate the ginger using a microplane or cheese grater. I hope this video demystifies how to grate and cut ginger for whatever you'd like to prepare. Click on the subscribe button to be notified of more cooking videos.